Hi guys, Servus and hello world. Today I want to talk about a question that I've got a lot regarding the openGrid system. How do you remove the tiles? And of course, in my video I used mainly the modeling files, so the tiles don't have any features, which of course won't happen in reality. For example, those cover tiles. The cover tile is meant to produce this nice flat surface, so you don't have anything sticking out of the board. And of course, normally you should be able to remove those using your fingernails as well. This is possible, but it's not that easy. So what I normally do is I use a screwdriver like this one here, and I just get in on the side, push it out, and done. So this is really easy to do. The same is true if you have those open mounting tiles. This one here doesn't have anything on two of the sides, so you can push in this little cover snap above the tile. So again, you have this nice flat surface here. And the same is true, you go in here with your screwdriver, you get it out, and you're done. So this is also easy to do. And by the way, as I have just shown you the open mounting tile, let's shortly talk about the underwear channels. The underwear channels, of course, you can't push in if you have any mounting tile in there, because the mounting tile will block access. That's not true if you have your open mounting tile in there, because this will just allow the channel to be pushed in here, so that works without any issue. So the channels with the open mounting tile allows you to have a channel just above the tile as well. So let's look at some actual snaps that we normally would use. I will be using the multiconnect snap here. If I push this in, you can normally get this out pretty easy because you now have some features to grab onto. This works pretty nice and it is easily done. So let's move on to a more real-world example. So you have those two tiles, and if I add a Gridfinity shelf, for example, here, it's even easier because I can use the shelf to get all of the snaps out as well. And normally what you can do is you can get those in and another position if you like to, at least if your snaps don't fall out while you're doing that. So that's even easier. If you have snaps that require more force, like for example this lock snap. The lock snap, just to remember, is one that you can lock in place by screwing the top of the snap in slightly more. So this is now locked in place. You can't really remove it. But to be fair, if you have this in the open position, it's hard to remove as well. So you can't just tilt this out or something, because the lock snap is held in place more tightly. But again, of course, you can just use your shelf, for example, get this out like so, and it works like a charm. And maybe as a last note, let's use this multi-connect snap here. It's not a directional snap, it's just the normal one, and I have not added the multi-connect system in here. So it's like a flat tile that you really can't remove easily. What you normally can do is just get in here at the corner and then get this out a little bit, and from here on you should be able to remove it just nicely again. There's one type of snap that we didn't talk about. It's the mounting snap. Here you have the full mounting snap and the open mounting snap. Those are not as easy to remove, because I would say normally you actually want to take the whole board apart and then remove those from behind. I think it's doable. I haven't tried it. So that's all you need to know about snap removal. I hope you liked the video. I hope you subscribe. See you again soon. Bye.